फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं हैंड्स ऑन रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम. सो लेट्स गो टू द first slide. Hands on recommender system. When a recommendation algorithm predict rating for item, one must evaluate how accurate its recommendation are. So we can evaluate the accuracy of prediction, relevancy of recommendation, and rankings of the recommendation. So let's start with one by one. What is the accuracy of prediction, then relevance of recommendation, and the rankings. So evaluation of accuracy of prediction. When evaluating the accuracy of prediction, we measure how close prediction ratings are to the true rating. Similar to the evaluation of supervised learning, we often predict the rating of some items with known rating and compute how close the predictions are to the true rating. One of the simplest method, that is the mean absolute error, computes the average absolute difference between the prediction ratings and true ratings. So this is the formula, that is the mean absolute error, MAE, is equal to summations ij r cap ij minus rj by n. So we can apply this formula and we can find out the mean absolute error, where n is the number of prediction ratings, Rij is the predicted rating, and Rij is the true rating. That means we have to take the Rij, that is the true rating, and what is the predicted rating, and we can find out what is the difference or what is the mean absolute error. So normalized mean absolute error, that is NMAE, normalizes MAE, that is the mean absolute error, by dividing it by the range rating. So we can take the normalized MAE is equal to MAE by R max by minus R mean, where R max is the maximum rating items can take and R mean is the minimum ratings the item can take. So we can use this formula. Now MAE error linearly computes to the MAE value. We can increase this contribution by considering the summation of squared errors in the root mean square error. So the root mean square error, that is RMSE, is equal to root over of 1 upon n summation of I to j r cap ij minus rij squared, where r cap is the predicted rating and rij is the actual rating for a particular product. So we can apply this and we can get the root mean square error. Now consider the following table with both the predicted rating and the true rating of 5 items. So item 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the predicted ratings are given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and the true ratings are 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now the MAE as per the formula is, we have to find out the mod difference, that is 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 5 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 divided by 5. We are getting 2 as the MAE. Then the normalized MAE is equal to 2 upon 5 minus 1. So we are getting 0.5, and the root mean square error is equal to root over of, we have to take 1 minus 3 square plus 2 minus 5 square plus 3 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 2 square plus 4 minus 1 square divided by 5. So we are getting 2.28. So in this way we can calculate all the three values like MAE, NMAE and RMSE. Now let's go with the evaluating relevancy of recommendation. When evaluating recommendation based on relevance, we ask users if they find the recommended item relevant to their interest. Given a set of recommendation to a user, the user describes each recommendation as relevant or irrelevant. Based on the selection of items for recommendation and the relevance, we can have 4 types of item outlined in table 9.5. Given this table, we can identify measures that use relevance. For example, table 9.5 partitioning of item with respect to the selection for recommendation and their relevance. We can say relevant and selected, relevant and not selected, and the relevant total. Then irrelevant we can write, and selected we can denote it as NIS, irrelevant and not selected IN, then total as NI, then total NS, NN and N. So in this way we can write the table for relevant selected, relevant not selected, irrelevant selected and irrelevant not selected. Now information provided by users. So precision is one such measure. It defines the fraction of relevant item among the recommended items. So how many items are relevant among the recommended items? So it is P equal to N RS by NS. Similarly, we can recall to evaluate a recommender algorithm which provides probability of selecting a relevant item for recommendation. So R equal to NRS by NR. We also combine both precision and recall by taking their harmonic mean in the F measure. So F equal to 2PR upon P plus R. So we can apply these three formulas. So with this, we have come to the end of unit number 5 of the social media analytics recommendation system. I hope you enjoyed this entire playlist. Thank you.